so I'm just closing this roof up, and you can see this is the bit of the roof that with the torn sarking. It hasn't been cut, it's just been torn out of here by the electrician. So see that's torn and not all nice and neatly cut. And so before I close it up, I found these pieces of tile in the bottom of the roof, right? And there's actually another bit there that I've got to get out yet. But this is a good example of how when this tile was in place, it was covering this and the tongue was broken. So the water that come down through that tiny little gap there could have run into the roof, but it'd just be such a minor leak that nobody would notice. And whoever was in here just put a tile back in, right? And because it covers it up, nobody notices it's in there, and these pieces of tile were just chucked in the roof. I can't actually replace this bit of tile, which is why they didn't do anything with it, because to get this one out I'd have to move this one, and it's got the bedding and the pointing on top of it, so it would break it, right? So but what I can do is glue them all back into place. So I'll glue them all back in there, and then slide the tile down, and it'll be because the silicon's out of the sun, it'll be good as new. Well, not as good as new, but it won't leak.